Hi, I'm Lukas and I purchased Matt's course Tube Mastery and Monetization, and this is my honest review. First, I'll go with the pros. I thought this course was full of information and value, and the lessons go deep into detail about how to create YouTube channels and videos. The course has 35 videos and it's almost 5 hours long, so it has everything from how to choose what type of YouTube channel to make, and also which niches are best for each type of channel, and which niches have the highest earnings on YouTube so you can get the most money. There's how to choose video ideas based on keyword research, which is very important and helpful. The course shows you how you can make and edit your videos in ways that will engage the viewer, so you will get higher watch time and then boost your rankings. And it also has a section where it shows you how you can get freely available content to add to your videos, and also how to use fair use to add value to your videos so you don't get demonetized and you don't get copyright claims if you choose to use other people's content. So I'd say my favorite parts was the SEO strategy used with vidIQ, because that shows you how to find out which videos are the top viewed and trending, and also which keywords are getting the highest search results, so that you can then add those to your videos and boost your rankings as well. I know the frustration of putting a lot of effort and work into a video only to find that it gets no views, and so this was a very useful part of the course. As for the cons, I would say the only real con is the course can be an information overload and it's a lot to digest. So if you try to watch the whole thing all the way through, it can kind of blur together, and Matt talks pretty quickly through it, so you may find yourself having to watch the course 2 or 3 times to really let all the information sink in. But I recommend this course to anybody who's serious about YouTube and is planning on making a business out of it, because it's got a lot of valuable things that you will need to know. Thanks.